In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix anchor link problems in Weebly. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com. Then sign in to your Weebly account. Click Website, select Edit Site and open the website where you want to fix your anchor links. Once you're in the editor, make sure you're on the Build tab. In the left panel, find the Embed Code element. If you don't see it, click Show All Elements to reveal the complete list. Drag the Embed Code element to the section you want visitors to jump to. Click the element, choose Edit Custom HTML and add an HTML anchor with a unique ID for that section. Replace the example ID with a descriptive name that matches your destination section. Next, select the text or button that you want to use as the anchor link. Click the link icon, choose website URL and enter your page URL followed by a hash symbol and your anchor ID. For example, if your anchor ID is section 1, the link should end with number section 1. If the link settings include an option to open the link in a new tab or window, leave it unchecked so the anchor works on the same page. When you're finished, save your changes and publish your website. Test the link on the live site to confirm it jumps to the correct section. That's how to fix anchor link problems in Weebly. Thanks for watching.